Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. We'll walk through the essentials in a clear, practical way, so you can launch confidently without feeling overwhelmed. The journey begins with your domain, which is simply your website's address on the internet. Choose something short, memorable, and easy to spell. Avoid hyphens and odd spellings if you can, and pick an extension that fits your audience, like .com, .org, or a country-specific option. Before you buy, search for availability and consider registering common variations to protect your brand. Next, pick a WordPress hosting provider. Hosting is where your site lives, and good hosting keeps it fast, secure, and always available. Look for plans built for WordPress with one-click installs, SSL certificates, daily backups, and responsive support. If you're just starting, a reliable shared or managed WordPress plan is often the simplest path. Make sure you can upgrade as your traffic grows. With hosting set, install WordPress on your server. Most providers offer an automated installer that guides you through site name, admin username, and password. Use a strong password and store it safely. If the host doesn't have a one-click tool, you can still install WordPress by uploading the files and connecting a database, but the automated route is faster and less error-prone. Now it's time to set the look and feel. Browse themes from the WordPress directory or trusted marketplaces, and choose one that's responsive, well-supported, and compatible with the latest WordPress version. After installing and activating your theme, preview it on mobile and desktop to make sure it fits your content style. Enhance functionality with plugins. Start with essentials like SEO, caching for speed, security, contact forms, and backups. Keep your plugin list lean to maintain performance, and only install tools from reputable developers. Activate each plugin and run its setup steps before moving on. Populate your site with content by adding core pages like Home, About, Contact, and any service or product pages you need. If you plan to blog, create a few starter posts to establish structure and tone. As you add content, use headings, images, and clear calls to action to guide visitors. Customize your theme using the customizer or site editor to set colors, fonts, logos, menus, and widgets. Adjust your homepage settings, create a clean navigation menu, and ensure your site looks consistent. Preview on multiple devices to catch layout issues early. Finally, back up the site. Enable scheduled backups and store copies off-site. A quick restore plan can save you from accidental changes or technical hiccups, keeping your hard work safe. That's it, your WordPress site is up, polished, and protected. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.